managing around 32 online portals on various industry domains.
My subject is 4 P's of online marketing. We very well know that internet is such a subject today that everyone will have to work upon to get global mileage. 4P. 4P is a marketing theory started in 1960s. Today also, this 4P theory stands even for online marketing. How you can implement this 4P's theory of marketing in online? Everybody, we all are in race of internet. If we see today's statistics, 9 crore 47 lakh websites are live today on internet. Everybody wants to come first. Everybody wants that if something is written, if my name is written, I should come first in Google. If my product name is written, I should come first in Google. Whatever I write, I should appear on internet. Definitely yes. That is very much possible. But then that implementation has to be very systematic. Like, I dream of Google. Google here I mean to say internet. As I told you that everyone wants to be first in the race of internet. You also dream Google. You also want to come first. You also want to appear everywhere. You also want to sell your products. Google is like magnet. Here again, my terminology when I'm saying Google, I'm addressing to internet. Internet is like magnet. No, we cannot go away from internet. More we go away, we'll come closer and closer. But lastly, after all efforts, what we see that it was just dream. We try to come first. We do SEO, we do blogging, we do micro blogging, we do social networking, we do many things, but lastly all in vain. This is what is our mentality, and very clearly I would try to define in a pictorial way. We watch and we wonder. We think that why is coming first? Why this website is first? Why on this keyword this company is appearing first? We watch and we wonder. Then the next action automatically starts. That okay, we strive hard without any strategies. Here, it has to be a shaking hand. Shaking hand between the industry as well as the IT company with which they are working to get their SEO done or promotion done. But instead, it's a pushing hand. On one hand, IT company is asking for contents. On another hand, the company who wants to undergo SEO is pressurizing that I want to come first, I want to come first. On this keyword, I want to be first. On that keyword, I want to sell my products online. And lastly, a company is not having any other accelerator than accelerator to spend money online. Professor Jerome McCarthy in 1960, he developed this theory of 4 P's. This theory is so valid today even that you can really adopt this particular theory, which is an offline theory of marketing. You can club with internet marketing theory as well. I'll take this in my next slide. These are the core areas. P for product, which covers product variety, quality, design, features, brand name, packaging, sizes, warranties, returns. Price, that is cost to customer. What can be the list price of the product? What can be the discounts which you can offer? What can be other allowances? Payment periods, credit terms. Place is basically convenience. There are two theories. One is 4 P's and another is 4 C's. If I explain place as in C's, that is convenience. Which are the channels through which you are promoting your products? Which are the places which you cover? Which are the assortments, locations, inventory, logistic, that is transport. Promotion is sales promotion, advertising in various medias, sales force, public relations and direct marketing. Lastly, what happens that if these 4 P's are not implemented correctly, our own marketing team will come and tell us and give us negative influences that our products are not right. Either change the product, change rates, change the market segment. But in fact, there is always no problem in product. It is in adopting the theory of 4 P's. Lastly, we end up changing the track. Okay, let's not sell here. We'll try somewhere else. Or either we end up with comparatives that his product is much better than us. He is doing this way. We are doing this way. Either we start changing the production process or we change quality of the product. Either we end up in losses or either we end up in disputes. Basically, 4 P theory of marketing should be either driven by the owner or the technocrat of the product. Because the owner or the technocrat, he knows well how to penetrate the product in the market. Now, comparing these 4 P's of internet marketing with online marketing, I have renamed product as pragmatics. The basic need of internet is content. Why Wikipedia is always coming first? Why if you search on Google, certain blogs appear first? Because of content. Content in an explanatory manner. Not only content, it has to carry visuals, it has to carry videos. But in general, what happens that when we ask agency or IT company to create a website, we simply say that this is what we have, you go and get a website done. That's not possible. If you have created product, if you are technocrat of the product, you will have to describe your own product in a right way. An IT company cannot create content for you. Then the next step is, okay, let's go and get a copywriter. What copywriter will write? You are a technocrat of the product. You start writing on your own product. Unless and until you don't feel, see, in verbal explanation we are very good. If let us say we ask them that you start describing your product verbally, then they will start narrating, describing the products for hours and hours and hours. But when it comes to writing, we are very poor. At least you should create that limited content which is very well understandable, and then it can be an add-on to your product on your website. Same thing happens in images and pictures. Nobody wants to hire a professional photographer. Nobody wants to hire a professional agency to get video, images and pictures done. And then again they will enter without strategy into the race that I want to come first. I want to sell my products on net. Specifications. Each and every website, each and every product which is there on the website should carry detailed specification, comparatives, the results of the product. What are the results of the products after adopting the product in the industry, and they should also publish case studies, reviews about the product. So here, pragmatic is a word which is a part of linguistic science, and that is the reason I have replaced product with pragmatics. Second P is price. I have replaced that with policy. Because when we think of internet, we think global. But here, everybody wants to export without understanding policies. Forex, taxes and duties, logistics, country law, cyber law of that countries. They just want to create a website and then they are into the race that I want to sell, I want to export, I want to do this, I want to do that. So unless and until you do not sit and decide policies of online marketing, you will never succeed. Third P, that is place. I say presence. Just creating a website, okay, that is not the end of creating a presence. To create right presence online, your website has to be in different regional language. At least, let us say you target 10 countries, your website should be in that 10 regional languages. 99% of the websites, they don't carry international warranty policy for that particular country. If you really want to create presence, you can also start promoting cross-country partnership programs, that you promote your product through somebody in that country and promote their products in our country. That is called cross-platform promotions. You can also undergo affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing definitely is a very wide subject, and today, world over, after e-shopping, affiliate marketing is the second booming thing which is happening. The fourth P, it is promotion, I say penetration. Just creating a right website and creating content is not going to be enough. Search engine optimization for penetration is important. More than that, today social networking is important. To win in social networking, article submission is important. And unless and until you join different groups and forums, nobody knows you. Blogging and commenting is very important. So, presence and then penetration. So, if we see overall, the original 4 P's are product, price, place and promotion. We have replaced them with pragmatics, policies, presence and penetration. Now let's have a little look at SEO. What exactly SEO means, search engine optimization. Search engine optimization, 60% of the work can be done by the company itself, but then too they will rush to hire some agency to get their SEO done. Because the hello.